Buckle up, bird brains and chuckleheads. We're about to take a nosedive into the hilarious hijinks of our feathered friends. Get ready to witness clucking up a storm moments that prove these little wonders with wings are actually comedy geniuses in disguise.
Go. Hey, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork, more passion, more energy, more...
Angus, 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 Angus. Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus McBingus. Angus McBingus. He's a pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Okay, this is Nico having a temper tantrum, getting ready for a show, and now she just said, "Why are you crying?" Nico, are you done? And this is what I go through every day, and people think I have a crying baby out here. I will show you, it's really just Nico. Nico. You are such a baby. Yes, you are. Now people are coming in because you were crying. Okay, let's go.
Chronicles of Maya, the Jealous Birdie. When you have to fight to stay hydrated, aw, with pets like this, who needs more love? Am I right?
I'm not playing peekaboo. No, I'm not playing peekaboo. No. No, I don't. I don't want to play peekaboo. No, I'm not playing peekaboo. No, I'm not playing peekaboo with you. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't want to play peekaboo with you. No.
Yes.
So, whether you're a seasoned bird owner or new to the world of avian companionship, this video is a reminder that life is always more colorful with a feathered friend by your side. So, hit that like button and don't forget to share your own funny bird videos in the comments below. Let's celebrate the joy and laughter these remarkable creatures bring us.